Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be showing you guys how I make my matcha turmeric drink. If you want to see how I make this drink, then just keep on watching. Ingredients: 1% milk, honey, ginger, the matcha powder, and the turmeric powder. To make the drink, you will need a small pan with a low to medium heat. I go ahead and add my milk. I do like to change my milk here and there. Then I add about a teaspoon of the turmeric powder. After that, I go ahead and add some of the matcha powder. I do add a little bit more of the matcha powder than I do the turmeric powder, just because turmeric is kind of strong. This is about a tablespoon of the matcha powder. After the matcha powder, I go ahead and add some ginger. I cut up 3 small slices. You can add as many slices as you will like, but I feel like 3 is enough and 3 will do. Then I follow on with some honey. This is raw honey. Honey gives it that sweetness. I don't like to add sugar, so I feel like honey is my best option. And not only that, but honey is pretty good. Then I go ahead and whisk all my ingredients. If you don't have a whisk, a fork will do. It works just as well. And then you make sure that you start whisking away. When you start whisking, you just have to whisk until it is ready. So yeah, just keep on whisking. It does not take that long, so you won't be tired of whisking. But anyways, so as you whisk, you will start noticing that the drink starts to kind of bubble and rise up. Once you notice, like right here, that it starts to rise up and bubble, you can turn off the heat, which is what I did in this case. And then I just keep whisking a little bit more until it kind of settles down. And yeah, that is it, guys. That is how I make my matcha turmeric latte, and I am loving this recipe. It's so good, it's so healthy for you, and it's just so easy to make. So yeah, once I do that, once it's ready, of course I get my cup, I go ahead and add my drink in there. I do leave the ginger slices in there. Yeah, I don't eat them though, I just leave them there. And then right here I'm adding some creamer. It just gives it a little bit more sweetness. I don't add creamer all the time, I just add it here and there. Creamer, guys, is definitely optional. You don't have to add the creamer. I just did here. And so yeah, guys, I really recommend this recipe. It's not only healthy and good, but it is so easy to make. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.